somebody who is overwhelmed with power for power's sake. Because Gen Zs are saying that, Mr. President, can you for once and for all dissolve and not reshuffle your government? So that if you dissolve that particular cabinet, then we can even have at least 5 Gen Zs entering cabinet because they understand the work of cabinet better than you. And you don't listen to them. These Gen Zs came to parliament in a constitutional order and a constitutional democracy. If the people come to parliament, the parliament ceases to exist. The government ceases to exist. It basically means that there is no confidence in both the government and parliament. Gen Zs are saying, resign and go. That's what Gen Zs are saying. You're not listening to them. And the people around you are also not listening. If Gen Zs had made their way into State House and defiled the State House and got into State House, one thing could have happened in this country. The president could have left the State House and the army could have taken over. If Gen Zs made it into parliament, they defiled parliament and got there because that is the house of the people. It goes without saying that the Speaker of the National Assembly should go. What is Wetangula doing in office? If Gen Zs made it to parliament, it goes without saying that the leadership of National Assembly, starting from Kimani Ichung'wah, going to Sylvanus Osoro, going all the way to the people who wrote this budget, should go. What are they doing in parliament? If Gen Zs made it to parliament, it goes without saying that even the Speaker of the Senate should actually go. So if you don't listen to these Gen Zs, we are telling you they are people, they are our brothers, and they are our sisters who have suffered on the miasma of economic emptiness, and we'll stand with them to help them come for you and make you understand the real meaning of lack of confidence of the people of Kenya in you, your government, and the assembly that you bought and made ineffective in this country. I thank you all as I call my brother, Ndugu Mairi, who is the Deputy Governor of Migori County. Yerukamana Yajidalawa.
Asante. Kanisa, familia ya Mama Rosa, our baba na
manaseta chiel kene mantie kae ndi to benose wuoyo obo mosa ke senator owacha chiel kende then amia governor to be watika tieka.
All protocol observed. Ani luonga na bito mamin march. Abito mamin angowa march. Askofu, an miyo moriere ka yiend sitima mineno cha. Inene? Erokamano. Chieng' machielo abiro wachonu ni mach kende maonge go. Ayeka, Senator osewuoyo. Adwa wacho nikech coordinate a few things. Nitie sons and daughters of Mama. The Adui family are here. George, Karen, and the elder brother. Aginka Fuauru. Wanka Gikeno Degi Fua. Wanka Gi Irene Olo Fua. Wanka Gi PS Francis Owino Fua. Wanka Abetka Poka Neno my own mother, my own parents. Nyagem Ginyako Wino Ero Urukamano for coming. Baba anjo Gen Z nyocho nyisa chieng' moro. Nindalo moro nyiche gineni kirwako nyasa. To na nyiso min piny ni jogo wacho na ni mede rwako nyasa ndalo mabiro ka. To min piny ok nyisi. Jo Gen Z gi owacho ni ndalo mabiro ka mede rwako nyasa ni moro mayande rwako cha. Nikirwake to gineno ka teko timang'owa medore. Baba, one in the Senate. Hello? One in the Senate. Teach Mwatiyo and the protection to get the interest of the counties. Omiyo Senator Eddy, nyogi wacho ni ging'ado pes moko ka Gen Z owuoyo. Wan kaka senators wawacho ni kik ng'ato mul 400 billion manyoche Senate omiyo ang'owa counties. The government must address the wastage in the national government. Give counties, give pesa, we need more monies to the counties. Atieko kawacho niya. Baba, joma tindo nyicho bire parliament. Ne giwuoyo ka gin gi weche ma gidwaro bire parliament. Gibire parliament moting'o representatives mekgi. No neg the young people right in parliament. Awaro ni to the young people man no neg parliament. Why can't they be buried as MPs? Why can't they be buried as MPs? Naked, they came to parliament, they died in parliament. Nyasaye mundo parunda loduto. Erouru kamano.
Erokamano ahinya. I think nibo tieka nitie weche motuom kaendi madongo kabisa. Adhi wuoyo achiel kaesto arwaka DG ma Migori County mondo mi owuo kodu kasto rwak governor. Jodalawa wasegore ne pinyni endi kata maweche mag maandamano gi.